Now you create one, like you give one property like a name. Name you can give name, and you can create it from here itself. You can click on crosshair icon. See, if you are creating it from here, okay, if you are creating it from here, you can see you are getting all the class, rule set version
Yes.
and all, right?
Yes.
And now you click on create and open. Okay, now the name is a text input only, right? It is not an integer or decimal. It is a text input. So you can save it as it is. You need not change anything. You can save it. If you want to change, you have to click on the change the hyperlink is there, no? There you need to click. Once you click there, you can see
Okay.
change.
Yes. Yes. I got. This is the
Uh,
one we are talking
yeah, you
during.
click on the
Right.
change. If you want to change for this one, you can change it to decimal or date time. But the property's name, name is generally text only, right?
Text. Yes. No,
Yeah,
let me
now you can
change.
directly save it. Okay.
Check out.
No need to check out. You actually no need to modify anything, right? You have already done.
Correct.
Now go to your section. You give dot in front of name. Dot. Whenever you're referring a property, you have to give dot. Okay. Dot name. No, not dot after, before. Before n. Yeah, dot. See, it is coming in the below.
Yes.
You
Yes.
saw?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. You select that one, submit it.
Okay. 1 minute. So how to do it here? Property. We are manually. We can add any name instead of selecting the existing one or something. Okay. So we need to make it as ready here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
No,
This
I didn't
section.
get you, Dilip. What you're trying
No,
to
no, no.
say.
I'm saying suppose we are creating this property here. Okay. So
Uh-huh.
manually we can enter the name. I mean, whatever the name we are trying to give, right?
Yeah, you can enter. You just submit it. I'll show you.
Yes.
Submit it.
Normally, actually, what is meant out here? Normally, it will have some drop down list, right?
Uh-huh. Yes.
Okay. So normally,
You
instead of
can
that, we
click
are
on
manually.
yeah, you can click on down arrow.
Yes.
See, whatever properties you have created, those only will come here.
Come here. Yes.
Okay.
Uh, So no
Submit
need
it.
to change anything here like default value or so. Default value in the sense hard coding you are giving, right? Same name will come
Yeah, default
display.
value means by default, if you want to
It will
show as
show.
something
Ah,
Suman or Dilip, you have to give it here.
okay. We are just trying.
Uh-huh. You need not give that one also. Actually, if you give that one, what will happen? That one will store in the clipboard.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Okay. I'll tell you, you just submit it.
Nice.
See, this is one way of creating a property. Okay.
Huh.
Now you try to add one more data capture, one more text input. Now, if you need to ask the user to enter his phone number, okay, you add the text input below of a name. Yeah. Drag and drop below. You have drag and drop in the above of a name. You just right click it and delete it.
Oh, okay.
Hmm. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now you open that one. If you want to add a phone number now, if you keep on dot, if phone number will not come because the phone number property is not yet created.
Yes, yes, correct.
So
We
previously,
need.
how you have done, you have created from here, right? Phone number
Yes.
and you click on that crosshair icon. Now you don't create like that. Go to your records. Records is in a right, left hand side. You have records. No, extreme left. Extreme left in the
Yes,
App
yes, yes, yes.
Explorer records. Yeah, click
Yes,
on
yes.
record. Click on data model, expand data model. Click on property. Now you will open instances of property, means all the properties in a application. Okay, these are called instances. Instances means records. Now on the top you have create, right? You can create from here also. Click on create. No, you just click on create.
Directly. Okay.
Yeah, you can give your name here. What name is phone number. Label is phone number. And the below you saw applies to class. We need to mention it because you are creating from a generic place, right? This records is a generic place. All the properties will be there here. So what happened? You need to give your class here. Yeah, you need to specify your class, in which class you're creating. Yeah. But when you have trying to create from section, the class it was taking it by itself.
I mean, it will show default class. I mean, it will be connect default
Yeah,
class.
the class context it will show.
Correct.
What is the class context required there? You understand what I'm trying to
Yes,
say?
yes, yes. Two ways we can create.
Yeah, and also you can create from the top. Top you have create button, right? Create on the top header.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, you can click there and you can also create the properties. So not only properties, you can create any rule from there. Or else on the right side you have app explorer. Click on app explorer, top of records. On
Here.
top of app explorer. Yeah, click on the app explorer. You just expand it somewhat to the right. You just drag it. No. Yeah, you just drag. No. Don't click there. Have you clicked it there? If you click it there, you need to reload it. This personal edition will not work like that. You just reload the screen once. On the top, you have it browser reload.
Oh, yes.
Go to text. Okay, now go to App Explorer. Yeah, work dash online order you can give. Work dash. No, you can directly click on dash, right? You can directly type dash after the work.
Okay, here, right?
Yeah. In which class you need to create, you need to open that class.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes.
Yeah, right click. Right, you can right click on data model or you can right click on that class. Yeah, you have create, right? Hover on create. Hover,
Yes. Create and here
hover on data
property.
model. Hover on data model. And here from here also you can create a property. Okay.
Yes, yes, correct.
There are
So
so
this is
many
the
ways to create a one rule.
third way and fourth way.
Yes.
So records and create
So
new as well
whatever
as
you need, you can do it. Yeah, it will open the same. This one only it will open. From you can do
so
whatever way you are convenient.
okay. So only the thing
Okay.
is
No.
which class we are going to apply it, that we need to mention here. If we are creating
Yes.
through this one, okay. Sorry.
Mm-hmm. If you're creating through section,
Section is
what happen? Yes, it will directly come. If you are creating through a records, you need to mention the class.
class name mention. We need to mention. Correct.
Okay, if you are creating from this like from App Explorer, you are right clicking on class. Then what happens? That class will come by default, whatever the class you're creating.
Yes.
Yeah, click on. Yeah, save it. You understand it? What I'm trying to say.
Yes. 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 Various way to create.
Yeah, various ways. That's it. Anything is fine. Okay, go to your section. I think you haven't saved the section yet. That's when name was removed. Go to your section. The previous one. Yeah. Now
Okay.
add one text input name and you add phone number also. Name was gone because you haven't saved. I think you have reloaded, right?
Aha,
That's
yes, yes.
no, dot you have to mention. Phone number is also coming because you have created that property.
Yes.
Yeah, submit it. And now you just save it. Now launch the portal and try to create a case manager. Click on new, click on online order.
Oh,
See,
yes.
you got your name and phone number. Previously,
Correct.
you didn't get this one, right? Previously, you used to get the advance the case something.
Yes.
You
Right now it is
understand
clearly
it?
saying,
Name and phone
yes,
number.
yes. And here another thing. So we can give some restriction like how many length it should be, maximum length, and here.
Yeah, those are all you can give. Those are all you go to your designer studio. Those are all validations. Okay, we'll look into one by one. Open your
Okay.
name you have created, right? Property. The next tab. You go to advanced on the second tab. We are in general, right? Go to advanced.
Yes.
Here you have you can see there are some functions here.
Yes,
See
validation
there
and
is
input.
max length, expected length you have. We'll see, okay, one by one, not an
Ah,
issue. Validations will. You understand it, what we have done today. We have just created a property. We have added it in a section. So the properties came here, okay.
yes.
Now, as per client requirement, I don't want this looks awkward, right? The name is very long text field it came.
Yes. It is just like basic kind of things.
Yeah,
So design
basic
is not
kind of
good.
things, right? Now I need a name and phone number side by side
Okay.
because the text box is very long. It actually doesn't looks good. So I need to utilize the space there. So I need to get name and phone number side by side. That is a requirement.
Okay.
Now you need to, the fields are already there. You need to align it as per the client's requirement.
Okay.
You understand, right?
Yes, yes. Like here, some left side or here right side
Uh-huh.
phone number should be there.
Yes. Yes. Where you can do it. You just go to your section and you just check
He,
on your
he,
own. If we are not able to get, I'll let you.
data display it should be label internal image.
Okay, let me tell you. You have a layout, right? Dynamic layout one you have added, right? Yeah, you click on that settings icon. Yeah, open the dynamic layout settings. Now, if you open this one, you let it open. Yeah, you can see dynamic layout format is there. And it is stacked. Stacked means it will come one by one. Okay, you
Okay.
understand? Stacked means
Yes.
what is a stack? It will be like books. If you keep books on one top of another, it is like a stack, book
Correct.
stack, right? You can keep inline grid double, inline grid double, and if you submit it, you can see the change here itself. Click on submit. See,
Yes.
you
Correct.
understand?
Yes. Yes.
Just save it. You just save it here. Go to your case and you just refresh it. No need to create a new case on the actions refresh.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Yes.
Now, if you see the phone number doesn't looks good, right? The E and N are there is no space in between it. Generally, it will not be like that, right? In a general formal applications, phone number will be like phone space number, right?
Correct.
But here it is like there is no space in between them. Yeah. Now I don't want like that. I need it has to be something different, like phone space number. Check where you have to make a changes for that. There you cannot keep space because it's a property. You, no, open that one. I'll tell you. Open that one. You see that you have label value, right? Label
Yes.
where you're hovering. You on the top there is one checkbox, right? Label use property by default. Yeah, use you check on that and you give your custom label in the below. Yeah, you remove text input. You give phone space number or US number, whatever you need. Phone space number. Submit it. See, label, you can give any
Yes.
label. You save it and check the changes on screen. Okay, label in the sense you can give Suman or you can give Dilip, whatever the value you are giving it here. It will just show on the UI screen. That's it. Okay. It will not
Yeah. Right.
store in the background. Go to your screen and refresh and see the changes.
Yes.
Okay. And you need to remember one thing here, Dilip, like everything was everything Pega has given to you. Okay. You just need to understand where you have to make a change and how efficiently you can use that options. Got it?
Got it. Yes.
What I'm
In
trying to say is
any
like,
design and all. Suppose just I'll try this. Just I'm asking
Mhm.
possibilities over there. So this phone number also here in this label we can add and we can write to that we can add this text box, right? That is also possible.
Phone number, I didn't get you.
Suppose this phone number this side. Okay. So this side I want to no next to phone number that text box should be there, but it should be in same line.
Yeah,
So that
you can do that one also. You can
I'll
do
try
that.
from my end. Okay.
No, that is something complex. Okay, you need to modify skin rule and all for that one.
Oh,
Okay, that is something complex. Okay, what you're trying to say is like phone number and this
next
text
to
field
this
must be side by side, right?
side by side and many option will be there. Suppose here one by one. This
Yeah,
side, right side, one by one.
I understand. Go to your layout. You open your layout, dynamic layout is there. You need to make changes in this layout format. Open that one. Pega has given so many layout formats. Not only you click on that layout format, you try to keep default. Try to keep default. Submit it and see it here only whether what changes is. No, it's coming on the top, right?
Yes.
Again, you open that that dynamic layout instead of default. Inline you keep
Yes.
No, right? This is not your asking.
Side by side, but we'll see here. That means it is changing here, na. So
Triple
just
means it's not a triple. Triple means it will take three items at a time. You can keep other. See, other is there. If you give other, it will ask for a thing here. You have to create your own custom representation. See, you have inline labels left is there, na? Inline
yes.
Pega has given. You select that one. Let's see what's happening.
Yes. That is what I was asking.
Okay.
Yes.
You understand it. See, you need to explore. That's it.
Correct. Correct.
If
The
you, if
design and all.
you, yeah, if you didn't get what you required from what Pega has given, then you can actually customize the skin rule also. There is a rule called skin for user interface. Okay, you have a skin rule. You have to modify that skin rule. If suppose you have one requirement, the client has given you one requirement. Now that kind of functionality, that kind of representation is not present in Pega out of the box given rules. Okay, it
Yes.
is not there. Then what you have to do, you have to create your own customized skin and
So
you will apply
that
that
should
skin.
be
Yeah.
here only, or I mean, in backend only you need to create, right?
Yeah, in backend only, if you click on application name, cake order is there, na? Click on cake order. That all will discuss when skin rule is there, but I'll show you. On the top header, you have application cake order, right?
Yes.
Click on it. Skin is there, na? Click on skin.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Skin is a one rule, similar to sections, similar to flows, similar to all the things. Skin is also one section. See, sorry, skin is also one rule. Okay, it's a rule type.
Got it.
It will take time. These user interfaces will take time. Okay, you have to be patient. Like to load and all, it will take time. Now, see, there is a dynamic layouts. You are in dynamic layouts. If you click on the three dots on the, you click, yeah, you click there. See, you can customize everything. Action area, you can customize buttons, you can customize come down. Slowly. Labels, you can customize checkboxes, you can customize everything. You
Radio
can
buttons
customize.
is there. Okay.
Yeah, like if you select radio buttons, okay, just for our understanding, if you select radio buttons, it went to radio buttons, right? You go to inherited first. You go and check inherited in the sense what styles Pega has given. Pega has given standard and segmented. Two styles Pega has given. Let's see what style it looks like. If you it see now, you just click on this left side. You just drag it to the right. See, sorry, drag it to the left. This App Explorer you close. Yeah, yes. You drag it to the left. Still left. Still left. Complete left. Yeah, yeah. Till here it's fine. See, if you select the standard, you're getting the standard orientation, how it is looking on the right side. You can see, right? Preview.
Yes.
If you select segmented, you just see the changes. How if you keep the segmented style, how it will show. If you selected segmented, it will show, I think, like some rectangular boxes. If I'm not wrong. See on the
Oh,
top, you see segmented here,
yes.
segmented here, rectangle. You understand, right?
Correct. Correct.
Similarly, for everything, you can come here and you can see on inherited styles what Pega has given. You
Got it.
understand? And you can
Yes.
change these colors also. See, some people will ask, I need the radio buttons colors is red color. Instead of blue dot, I need a red
Correct.
dot or a green dot. Based on their application skin, they will ask you. Now you
Got
need to
it.
come here and you need to customize it here in the skin rule. You understand?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. And if you go to the top, open dynamic layout, Go to the top on this thing top. Yeah, here. Click on dynamic layouts. Layouts is there. In layouts, you have dynamic layouts. Go to inherited. See these many
Oh,
examples Pega has given you. You can click on each style and you can see the preview, how actually the screen will look like. The
yes,
default will
yes.
look like this. If you keep 30, 70, 70, 30. 30, 70 means left side you will not, yeah, small gap will be there. 70, 30. Sometimes you will
Yes.
not understand the changes here, but you will understand the changes on screen. If you click on quadruple, no, you are not getting your changes here, I think. Sometimes you cannot see on preview, okay? You can see on directly on screen. What you
Fine,
have
fine.
selected, yeah, you have selected inline labels left, right? Okay, you just selected inline labels left.
Yes.
It's coming.
This is something looking good. I mean,
Yeah, here you can keep whatever you want. It's okay.
correct, correct.
Yeah, it's all based on requirements. Okay, how the client is asking you, you need to configure in that manner.
Yes.
Okay, you
Yeah.
understand it? How
Uh,
we'll make a changes to a skin
yes,
and all.
yes, yes,
See,
yes.
there is
It's idea.
a yeah, there is a certification. There used to be a certification called Pega Pega UI specialist, I think. Okay, Pega UI specialist is a complete certification only for UI related things in this designer studio. That
Oh,
much powerful.
separately one
Yeah,
topic. I mean,
separately there is one certification exam similar to CSA and CSSA. There used to be, I think now they have removed it. They will only train you on UI related elements, how to make utilize this Pega given functionalities more efficiently. That
oh,
much powerful the UI the Pega is giving. But most of the times we'll not understand if we didn't do that certification. Like if you go to that name property, go to that name, go to your section, go to your section, open a name, double click on name and open it. Double click or you can give a single click and click on that. Yeah. Go to presentation. See, you have presentation tab, right? And come down. If you see below, you'll have advanced presentation options. There, they will ask CSS. This is a CSS styling. Okay. CSS and HTML styling. If you didn't get your customized skin and all, you can write your own code here. CSS
oh,
classes and all.
okay.
Okay, they will teach you in that certification all these things, how to give a class, CSS classes, how to more efficiently make your skin looks good and all. The color combinations, everything they will tell you on that certification.
Got
You
it.
understand?
Yes,
But I
yes.
think that is removed now. I think US specialist is not there. I think it used to be there until 7.4 version. I think now it's been removed.
So due to advanced version came, it's inbuilt already.
Mm,
I mean, many designs.
No, I think they have just removed it. I'm not sure why.
Okay.
Okay, you understand it. You can make
Yes.
your application look and feel whatever like you want.
I'll try one to create my own.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Shall we create single page properties today or shall we create it tomorrow? Like if Sonali
I
came.
hope if she's coming, it will be good. We'll wait so that I'll also get time to practice this one on one
Okay.
time.
Okay,
Okay.
just try to practice it. Whatever changes you are making here,
Yes.
you can see those changes on screen. Okay.
Correct.
Okay. See, sections are UI representations. Means whatever you're making as changes on section, those changes will be reflected on your screens.
Correct.
Okay. Now you understand on the high level understanding it. Flow. Inside flow, you have flow action. Inside flow action, you have section. Inside section, you have layouts. Inside layouts, you have properties.
Properties.
Okay, user will enter data on properties. Okay.
Yes.
Now, if you go to your last thing, if you go to your yeah, this one, you you just refresh it once. Okay, I think you haven't saved that one. It's okay. You just enter your name here, some name, and and your phone number also. You enter some number here. Okay, you just submit it. Open your clipboard. On the bottom, you have gear icon, right? Click on the gear icon. The second icon. No, the second one is clipboard. Okay. Now, see the thread first. In which thread you are there? In which thread you are there? You are there
Application POA.
in your case thread. Okay, that's a case.
Yes.
That is good. Okay, case thread. Now, if you come down, you have a page called PY work page. PY work page contains your case related information. Click on PY work page. Control F and search for name or phone number. Name is there.
It's
See,
coming. Yes.
yeah, whatever you have entered on screen, that will come in clipboard. I have told you, right?
Yes.
Clipboard
Yes.
acts as an interface between your
Clip.
DB and your
You
screen.
can UI.
Yeah, you understand it?
Yes. Yes.
Whatever the data you are giving on the screen, the data will get stored in clipboard pages. This is a page. PY
Correct.
work page is one page. Okay. Okay, then Dilip, like you just add some properties
Yes. That
on.
practice I will do. I'll see the what is the changes over here.
Correct. Okay.
Okay. I'll create my own application. I mean new application. I don't want
Yeah.
to edit this one.
You can create your own case step here.
Yes.
Instead of creating whole application, go to your go to Designer Studio, expand, yeah, drag it towards some right that panel. Okay, you can click on case type. You
Add my
can create the
case.
case type here, but if you create a case type here, what happens? The class will be same until work. You click on App Explorer. Click on App Explorer. No, don't click there. Click on cancel it, or click on advanced. Yeah, click on App Explorer. If you create a new case type on the same application, what happens? Cake FW, cake order FW, work will be same.
It's
Until work,
common.
the class will be same. After work, you will get your new case type layer.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes. The common class will be cake FW cake order FW work.
Work.
And after that,
Until
whatever I am assigning, it will be suppose
you
booking
have
ticket,
something, yeah, booking ticket, then it will be like work dash booking ticket. Okay.
booking ticket. Yes.
Okay. The organizational class will be the same until work.
Yes.
After that, the case type will different. If you build on same application.
Got it. Because we are doing under this cake order application, right?
Correct. Correct. Got it right.
Yes.
It's okay. The class you can give anything. This for practicing only, right?
Yes.
You can create a new case type. You have to create a. Then if you create a case type, you have to create a life cycle. You have to create a flow. You have to create a flow will get created. Flow action you need to create. Section you need to create. Properties you need to create. Or else you can do one thing also, Dilip. You can check in this one. You click on actions. Refresh this one. Click on actions. Refresh. Okay, now you check in this code. Click on check in. You write some comments. Actually, the comments you are writing here must be meaningful. Okay, but for some this practice, you can write something WIP. WIP is like work in progress. Check in. Now, if you, instead of creating a new application and all, you can also do. You can check out this rule. You can check out this rule. You can make whatever the changes you need here. You can see all those changes on the screen, and then you can discard it in the last.
Okay, okay. Instead of check-in, you can do it discard.
Yeah,
Okay.
you just
I will not need to
click on
save.
data display, or you just click on action. Action is there, no action. No, not that action. In pickers, structural data capture, you have one action. No. Yeah, that action. You add one button. You add one button. Save it. Go to your screen case and refresh it. Refresh. Or create a new case. I think you have advanced it, right? Yeah, click on. See, button came there, right?
Yes.
So you can make your changes, whatever changes you need there, and in the last you can discard it. If you go to there, if you click on discard, it will come to the previous version.
Yes, yes,
Until
yes.
unless you have checked in,
Check-in. Mm.
yeah, the code will not get committed. Okay, you just discard it. Click on discard. You can see the previous version code. Like,
Yes, yes.
okay, instead
So
of creating all
temporarily,
those things again, you can just check out and see the changes here. You can enter. Okay.
yes. I'll do a practice.
Uh-huh. Okay, Dilip.
Okay.
Then we'll connect tomorrow. Tomorrow we have to complete these properties. Okay, this has taken a long time.
Yes,
It
yes.
has to be completed today itself, but it's okay. We'll do it tomorrow.
Okay, then fine.
Okay, tomorrow we'll complete the properties. We'll create one single page property, and we'll try to start data transforms tomorrow.
Yeah. Thank
Fine,
you.
right?